Hi everyone, welcome to Excellent Coaching Center Introduction to VS Code. VS Code is an text editor. Okay. Introduction to VS Code. VS Code is an editor. It is an advanced editor, integrated development environment. It can be used for app development. Okay. VS Code is used for app development. It is an integrated development environment. It provides collection of windows and tools to make developer job easy and faster. Okay, it provides collection of windows and tools to make developer job easy and faster, like Explorer window, terminal window, compiler tool. Okay. There are different IDEs like VS Code, Atom, Sublime Text, Ellipse are present in the market. VS Code, VS stands for Visual Studio Code, is an IDE provided by the Microsoft for front-end web development. Okay. Visual Studio Code is provided by the Microsoft for front-end web development. VS Code or any IDE makes developer job easy and faster by providing auto-completion, intelligence, error detection. Okay. It will provide what? Auto-completion, intelligence, and error detection. VS Code is an open source, lightweight, and cross-platform editor. Okay. It can be installed in any platform, any operating system like Mac, Windows, Linux. VS Code can be installed in any operating system. Go to Google. Okay, just go to Google. In search bar, type as VS Code. Select the first link. If you are using Windows, click on the download, or else if you are using any other operating system like Mac OS, Linux, you can select this. My operating system is Windows. So I'll click here, download for Windows. It is getting downloaded. It is downloaded now. Double click on it. I agree. I accept the agreement. Select this radio button. Then click on next. Select these check boxes. Then click on next. Then click on install option. It will take few minutes to install VS Code. Now click on finish. I already installed the VS Code in my system, so I close all the files. Okay, close this. Okay, how to open the VS Code? Command prompt cmd. Okay, in F drive, go to F drive. I'll create one directory, make directory as what? VS Code. Then cd VS Code, code space dot. By this command, we can directly open we are creating a folder by the name VS Code. Then cd VS Code means we are moving inside that folder. Then with code dot, we are opening the Visual Studio Code. If I press enter, VS Code will be opened. Is the advanced level code editor. See, VS Code. VS Code. Here we can add file. If you want to add any file, we can add. If you want to add any folder, we can add here. Okay. This is the Explorer window. Then view terminal. It is a terminal window. Want to here one command prompt is available. Inbuilt command prompt is available. This is a command window. Okay. You want to add a file, we can add. I'll add one index.html file and press enter. An index.html file is added. Here we can automatically add one boiler code for HTML. Just type out HTML, select HTML5. See, boiler code is added automatically to our VS Code. Okay. Here title, you can write anything, whatever required. Body, head, contents. Okay. To execute HTML in VS Code, we need to install one extension. It is known as Live Server. Live, L-I-V-E, Live Server, S-C-R-V-E-R, server. See, this is the Live Server. It is already installed in my system. Here, install option will be available. Just click on it. It will be get installed. Then, what we need to do here means, welcome to HTML. Welcome to HTML. Okay, I'm writing the title here, H1. Here include one heading. Just type H1, then press enter. Starting tag and ending tag will be automatically added to the H1 tag. Now here what I will write. This is the VS Code editor. If you want to add any para, you can do it by using P tag. Just enter P. Just type P, then press enter. Starting tag and ending tag will be added automatically. If you want to add any text like welcome to VS Code. If you want to add one more paragraph, you can do it. Here I want to add one dummy paragraph so that you can use Lorem. Lorem is a dummy text editor. It is available with VS Code, inbuilt in VS Code. If I type Lorem and press enter, some dummy text is added, but it is not in a format. To make it in a format, view word wrap. Okay, go to view menu, word wrap, then it will be displayed in a format. Okay, in a paragraph type. After this, what we'll do, we'll save the file, Control S, then right click, open with Live Server. Open with live server. See. Okay, this is the heading, H1 heading, and welcome to HTML. This is the title. Then this is the paragraph. Welcome to VS Code. This is the lorem text paragraph. I hope you understood this concept. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe.